Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your headphones and opening the exact sound controls on your Samsung. Once connected, go to Settings, then Sounds and Vibration, then Volume. This bypasses shortcuts that hide limits. Make sure you tap the three-dot menu or Advanced so you can access the media volume limiter. This first step shows you the control that enforces the cap. Do this now. It exposes the setting we will change to raise output safely. Now you locate and disable the media volume limiter. This is the core action. You select the limiter option, note the dB or percent cap, and switch it off. If there is a passcode, enter it. Once off, increase the media slider slowly. Make sure to play audio so you can hear incremental changes. You do this to lift the software cap that prevents higher output. If the device asks, confirm that you understand the risk versus default safety settings. Finish by optimizing sound. Enable Adapt Sound and tweak the equalizer to boost perceived loudness, then test with familiar tracks. If volume remains low, make sure you try a different cable or Bluetooth profile and reboot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. Once done, reset sound settings or install any firmware updates. If nothing helps, the key troubleshooting tip is to check whether the headphone hardware or phone firmware enforces a limit. Try another headset to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.